Volkswagen Golf uh, already set up gasket gasket chaining cover, but I have to notice both sides have to keep calm and properly fit everything. They have a long screw and short screw. After that, have to set up water pump. Water pump have three screw, two up, one down, and there have a tensioner, two screw have to set up, and there have a fan belt, one tensioner here already open, then have to set up another one there already pin up, this one tensioner already lock pin, and then set up. After setting belt, then have to open this pin and everything here, and step by step we're going to set up whole thing. Have to set up alternator working time must battery minus open, extra safety.